good. Johnny, how old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
11. Okay. Johnny, what is the weather today? The weather is rainy or sunny?
Sunny.
Sunny. Oh, is it hot today?
Yes.
Yes. Do you like the weather?
Yes.
Yes, you do. Very good. Are you hungry?
No.
No. Thirsty?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Drink later. But today we will start our speaking test, okay? Now, let's start with this picture description. And this picture is part of the house. Can you tell me which part of the house is this? Is this a kitchen? Is this a bedroom? What is this?
Which is the living room.
Living room. Very good. Can you tell me what do you see in the living room? I can see.
I can see living room and TV.
I can see TV. What else? Go. Give me 6.
TV, picture, window, bed, chair, table, toys,
Toys. Wow. And trucks. These are trucks. Trucks. Okay. Where is the window?
the window between the picture and lamp.
Very good. Where is the chair?
The chair in
In front of.
picture in front of the door.
Good. And look at the boy on the sofa. What is he wearing?
He
Wearing jeans and.
is a t-shirt.
What about the girl? She is wearing
She is
t-shirt
t-shirt
and
and
skirt.
skirt.
Okay. Where is the table?
The table in front of the
So.
sofa.
Very good. And how many tracks do you see?
In two tracks.
I can see
I can see two tracks.
2 tracks. Tell me the colors.
In blue and red.
Where are the tracks?
Truck.
Are
The truck between the TV and table.
very good. Where is the TV?
TV next to the bookstore.
Bookshelf. Bookshelf. Okay. What is this?
In the playground.
Baby. And what is this?
In the
It's a rug.
in a rug.
It's a rug. R-U-G. Very good. Now let's move on to the bigger picture, and let's do the part 2. So the same picture, but this time we will do another thing. Can you choose 4 pictures, please? What is that?
In the
Ball.
wall.
Okay, put under the chair. Under the chair. Under the chair. Under the chair. Yes. Next.
The room.
It's a
A room.
balloon. Say the word. Balloon. Okay, put next to the TV. Next. Choose one. What is it?
It's the elephant.
Elephant.
And
Elephant. Where put the elephant under the baby. Under. Yes, good. Last one. What is it? Okay, it's an
it's on air.
put on the table. On the table. Very good. Now, where is the balloon?
Balloon in next to the TV.
Where is the TV?
The TV between the balloon and booster.
Where is the egg?
And on the table.
Ball.
Under the chair.
Elephant.
Elephant under the baby.
Rug.
The rug between the elephant and ball.
Very good. That's the end of our speaking test. Say goodbye to Teacher B.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, Johnny. See you again.